Hey everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here with another ceiling fan video. Today we have a 1984 Casablanca Delta ceiling fan, and this is another one I have. There's two in this house. This is in the laundry room. It is made on the same day as the other one. The first one that I filmed was 598, the 590th fan made that day. This one is the 348th fan made that day, and they were both made on August 29th, 1984. They are twins, and I guess they did come out of the same house, so it's kind of like a Panama's. Anyway, we'll go ahead and give it a demo, starting with the light kit. It's a stained glass light from Ellington, I'm pretty sure. It's a little bit bent up, which is kind of okay, I guess. I might replace the light kit eventually. Okay, we'll start out with low. It's a good amount of natural light. Yeah. This is the one that I installed. And in the room next to it, I'm putting in a Hunter Passport today. There's that. From 1988. And it's one of some really awesome antique replica light shades that are already on the ridge field that it's replacing. So it'll look pretty cool since this part of the house is, well, actually all the house is wood paneled walls. So the brass next to brass and four blades next to four blades would look better anyway. Here's medium. And also these go really well with the wood paneling. I like how these blades kind of match the wood paneling along with the other Delta's blades. That's pretty cool. That doesn't really do much for the fan since these shades aren't really they're for show, they're not really for lighting up the fan at all. Alright, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate high speed. High speed moves a lot of air, of course. And this room is really more for a 42-inch fan, but this fits. However, it's a bit of overkill, but probably a little mini Four Seasons would be cool in here for maybe a future install if I found another one. I could keep this one. But for now, this will do. And it's pretty nice anyway. It does fit the room rather nicely. This one hasn't been installed as long as the other one, so it has less dust on the blades. I'll clean off those blades later on the other fan. Yeah, that other Delta had been in there for almost a year until we finally put up this one. When I've just been sitting out in storage for a while. And we cleaned it off and put it up not too long ago last year. So I think it was around Thanksgiving when we put this in. I remember it. That, or maybe it was around Christmas, I'm not sure. I think it was Thanksgiving though. So it has a 4-blade only flywheel, just like the other one. And yeah. Maybe I might swap this out for a Casablanca light kit. At some really loud noise. That's the washer going. This ceiling is the only ceiling that doesn't have popcorn. It's just a straight plywood ceiling. Not exactly sure why it isn't, but anyway, moving on to the other part. Got some nice bleached oak blades. Alright, thanks for watching another video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll have quite a few uploaded from this place. So yeah, of course I'll be at home by the time most of these are uploaded. Maybe a few will be uploaded tomorrow, I'm not sure. We'll see what time we get home. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching. So goodbye.